Before 2003, actually I've been working on metal ceilings for years. Only at that time did not operate my own factory, just run a trading company. For years, the business has been constrained by suppliers. I was just thinking, could we establish our own customized metal ceiling manufacturing enterprise that values integrity, quality, and service? In 2003, I finally made up my mind. I founded the Guangdong Decent Company, and our brand name is Ballesta. After years of efforts, Ballesta has also successfully developed from a local brand into one that has expanded to many countries around the world. Now, Ballesta's products have covered many regions, such as North America, Middle East, Southeast Asia, and Africa, and have gained recognition and trust from numerous customers.
Why use Ballesta? Well, first and foremost, they have an excellent design team here. They've given me a number of solutions over time and always provide help in implementation. Absolutely world-class. See, as a purchaser, you always try to find a partner that's not only expert in what they do, but you can trust to deliver, and Ballesta is definitely that partner.
The Ballesta company is very supportive to us. Whenever we have a quotation or any kind of question, they respond very quickly with their team, technical team and engineering team. They are very professional in this.
Yes, we are very satisfied with Ballesta company. They are really cooperative with our projects in Indonesia, and we're looking forward for future cooperation with Ballesta company. And the response of the market is very good. I think that we will have a lot of projects in the future.
Along the way, we have always gained customers' trust with integrity and quality. In the future, Ballesta will be committed to becoming the #1 brand of China as metal ceiling products, going global, and will represent Made in China to the world with every detail of excellence.